Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to see file transfer in FTP. So let's start. Okay, so file transfer in FTP, we know that we are transferring file from one system to another system, which can be from client to server, so or server to client, yeah. So what we are doing is we are either storing a file to the server, or we are receiving a file from the server, or we are receiving a list from the server. Means that suppose server is having many different files. Okay, if in case server is having only one file, okay, so you know that you want this file from the server, so you just told the name that I want this file, server will directly send it to you. But in case it is having different file and you don't know that which file do you need, right? So you ask for the list that tell me that how many file do you have or what are its names. So server will tell you about that list, and then you can choose from that list, and then you can ask for that particular file, whatever you need. Okay, so these are three things what and if you want to store something, then you can just upload it to the server. Let's move forward and see how we are going to transfer the file here. So firstly, from the server side, the server is your service is ready. Okay, so what client is going to do, client will going to provide the authentication firstly, that I am user this, so I am, suppose my name is Forozen, so I am saying that I am user Forozen. So the server will say, okay, this Forozen name we do have, then what is your password? So tell me about your password. So now client is telling that my password is this. Then server will find out in its database and check that, okay, so this provided to, provided it is valid. So now client, what client is going to do, client is going to tell about its port, that I am using this ephemeral port. Please please store it somewhere in your store it, just remember it. Okay, so client told about it. Now what what server gonna do is, server will start the data connection now. Okay, let's change the color in order to identify this thing. So from here data connection got started. Okay, then then the client asks for what the list is. List just now we discussed, so now server will provide with the list. Server told that, okay, whatever you are asking is valid. Now server provided with the list, and then client told that, okay, I want this file from you. So now server will provide that file, and that connection will be closed. Okay, so per connection only one file needs to be transferred from the server side. Okay, in other connection, other data connection, then other file will be transferred. Control connection will be there, established all throughout the process, but data connection needs to be established for every transfer there is another data connection. Okay, so yeah, this is all about file transfer in FTP. Thank you so much.